Here are 5 changes I make to every single chart in Excel. This is the default layout that I get when creating a chart in Excel, and there are many things I don't like about it. The first thing is this legend. It's off to the right hand side and it makes my chart wider than it needs to be. If I go to the Design tab, there's an option under Add Chart Element for Legend, and if I select Bottom, it moves that legend to the bottom and now gives me more space for my actual columns in this chart. Another thing I like to do is remove some of this white space. If I right click on one of the columns and select Format Data Series, I can change the gap width, and normally I set it to about 50%. That way it's not too big, not too small, and makes my columns wider. Another thing I don't like with charts is this outline by default, and I can get rid of it just by selecting no line for the border. Now my chart blends in seamlessly with the rest of my spreadsheet. Another thing I don't like are the colors. Orange and blue are not what I'd like to see for a chart, and I can change this again by going to the Design tab. Under Change Colors, I can select many different options here, or I can select something more gradual where I've got different shading. And this is a much cleaner, more professional look than sometimes the funhouse look you get with the default chart layout. Lastly, I like to add data labels because the problem with relying on an axis here is these two values are very similar. So rather than trying to eyeball it, it's a lot easier to just add data labels. So if I right click, add data labels, now I can clearly see what those values are. I don't need this axis, so I can just delete that. And again, giving me more space to focus on the chart and what's important. What I can also do is make these labels a bit easier to read. Depending on how your chart looks, you may see lines going through your labels, which is less than ideal. To fix this, I can right click, select Change Data Label Shapes, because right now there isn't a shape. I can select this option here for a rectangle with rounded corners. Now I've got this background filled in with white, but if I wanted to, I can change the look of that as well. For example, I could change it to a dark green background and a white font, so now it stands out a bit more. What I can also do if I wanted to is format the number formatting. So Format Data Labels, down here for number, I can change it to a number formatting, but set it so there's no decimal places. Hit enter, and again, saving on a bit more space. And I can still manipulate this the way I would a normal label. I might want it centered, inside the end, inside the base, outside, however I want to do. But with this, it's a lot more flexible because now you can put it in a lot more places, knowing that you can manipulate both the background and the font color to make that label stand out regardless of where you put it on your chart.